Prakash Javadekar has slammed the Congress over doublespeak on farm laws. Javadekar has shared a tweet by the Congress in 2010 which backs privatization. You would remember how Rahul Gandhi had in the manifesto, in the Congress manifesto, and with Rahul Gandhi's face on the manifesto, the Congress had also made similar promises and had said that they will remove the whole concept of APMC, and such were the promises made by the Congress in 2010. Now, this is being thrown in the face of Congress again and again, as Union Minister Prakash Javadekar this time has slammed the Congress over doublespeak on farm laws. Javadekar shared this tweet by the Congress in 2010 which backs privatization, and in that it is clearly written that when it comes to the agricultural sector, private sector is needed. And now in 2021, of course, the Congress now siding the farmers, saying that the agriculture sector should not be privatized. I want to cut across to Piyush, my colleague, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Piyush, the Congress has been exposed time and again because they had put out all these promises in their manifesto also. And when it comes to their idea on how they wanted to deal with the agriculture sector, it was on the similar lines of what the farm laws are. But now clearly they are going against it and they are siding the farmers. And that has been a big embarrassment for the Congress.
Well, absolutely. Every time we have seen that how the Congress party was seen advocating for the same farm laws. Remember that in 2019 poll manifesto also the Congress party had advocated for the same laws, and now it is speaking against these farm laws. So this hypocrisy, this double speak of the Congress party has been exposed time and again. And today, once again, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar has put out the information and the kind of tweet which was done by Shashi Tharoor, Congress leader, and he was also the minister in UPA government. This tweet is dated in 2010, and remember at the time the Congress was pushing for the same laws, for the same points in its amendments. So looking at what the Congress party was doing, what is the BJP has done, and the BJP got the mandate, and that's why they were able to pass these laws, farm laws, in the benefit of farmers, and Congress is the one which was doing the same. So this certainly exposes the double speak of Congress party.
Very true, and the Congress must come out and answer this, Piyush, because this time Prakash Javadekar has referred to a tweet that was put out by Shashi Tharoor, and the tweet that clearly reads, "If it seems we waste more wheat every year to storage and distribution losses than Australia grows, real need for private sector to move into green storage."